All right, you guys, this is your uncle, and I wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with the markets and everything else. Little short update. All right, so number one, so far so good for the trading week, but I want to kind of tell you guys what's going on because I know you're trading yourself, some of you guys, and the market is acting a little shady. And let me explain what's going on in my personal opinion. Number one, the AUD over the next 24 hours is going to be coming out with their CPI numbers and the trade balance numbers. So you're going to see some jitteriness with the AUDs, which is what happened last night. But, you know, it's all good. But here's the deal. I believe, hear me really good. I believe the biggest thing is that on Thursday, which is why the market is just kind of choppy and sloppy, some are not really moving and all these kind of things. Whenever you see that kind of behavioral pattern happening, that means the market is waiting on something big to be announced. And I believe that the market is in a sideways, you know, choppy kind of pattern right now because it's waiting for the big news event for the beginning of the year. What news event is that? Please make sure you're watching my Sunday videos because I covered it. It is the inflation report for the U.S. That is a huge announcement to start 2024 with because it dictates to the Feds whether they should be raising interest rates, lowering interest rates, or leaving it alone. And because the dollar is accepted across the globe currently, that means whatever that happens to the dollar, it ends up impacting the other countries, which is where that term, when the dollar catches a cold, when the dollar sneezes, all the other countries catches a cold, okay? In other words, whatever happens to the dollar, it's going to impact what's going on in other countries that accepts the dollar as a global currency currently, okay? So therefore, that is a big news event. So I'm seeing that the market has been kind of shaky and so forth. And I haven't checked with my team. I know for this week, I am about 4-1. I tried to do a little quick 20 pip or 24 pip 430 strategy on AJ last night. It didn't work out. It spiked a little bit too far before going up. It did go up actually in the right direction, just spiked a little bit. But again, the AUD is a little bit jumpy. But then we recovered a lot of those pips right on back with the Euro AUD trade, which I closed out on the copier today. So no harm done. Everything's all good. So we're good on that front. So as far as the copier service, I think we're really running smooth again for the second week in a row. So if you're interested in that, you know, just go to our website, superezforex.com, and click on that copycat tab, and you can join that, and you can be hands-free, and you can just focus on something else other than trading. But if you are trading on your own, I just want to give you a market analysis, a midweek or a Tuesday analysis of what's really going on in the markets. Why is it so jittery? Why is some of these not even moving and stuff like that? Anytime you see that behavior, know to be aware because it is not acting that way for no reason. It is doing that because it's waiting on a big news event that can impact your trade. So what I suggest you do, I'm not telling you not to take trades because, again, I just shot a video, by the way, and it will be coming out tomorrow on the best scalping strategy for 2024. And you will see that I did take some trades, but here's the point. The point is you want to reduce your lot size to manage it just in case these things start sparking all over the place, then you didn't lose a lot of money on the trade because you weren't trying to over leverage, okay? You weren't over leveraging on any position, okay? So just want to give you guys the heads up, and I will see you in class tomorrow. Please make sure to come to class, bring your trade questions and everything else so we can have a wonderful class for our group. No matter who you are, you don't have to join or buy anything. You just come to class, okay? All right, see y'all tomorrow.